vívoactive 6 is here, and it's ready to shine. It's bright and colorful, comes in 4 great styles, has incredible battery life, and is filled with amazing health features. It tracks your energy, your naps, your heart rate variability, your stress level, your sleep, and it keeps an eye on your wellness and everything else in between. But it doesn't stop there. From running to walking, workouts to strength training, it has big plans to keep you healthy and strong, helping your form and keeping you on pace to be the best you yet. All this while storing your stats in one incredible place. vívoactive 6 is here, and it can't wait to meet you. Only from Garmin.